Hey guys, my name is Jane. Welcome to Jane's Adda. In this video, we're going to see what nouns are and how do they function. This is a series made on nouns, so you'll find the different types of nouns in the playlist. Do not forget to watch them. What is a noun? Anything that you see, hear, smell, feel, taste around you needs a name. So when you name them, it becomes a noun. A noun can be a person, place, time, living or non living things, ideas, quality, quantity, emotions, feelings, or activities. Let's look at some examples to understand better. Anne is a teacher. Can you identify the nouns in this sentence? Anne and teacher are nouns because they reflect people. Mumbai is a big city in India. Here, Mumbai, city, and India are nouns as they refer to places. The cat is playing under the table. Cat here is a living thing and table is a non living thing. So, cat and table are nouns. India got freedom in 1947. India is place, freedom is another noun which refers to idea, and 1947 is time period which is also a noun. Parth received a medal for his bravery. Here, Parth is person, medal is a thing, and bravery is a quality. Therefore, Parth, medal, and bravery are nouns. My father fumed with anger. Father is a person and anger is an emotion. Thus, father and anger are nouns. Swimming keeps you fit. Here, swimming is an activity which is gerund form of noun. Now let's see how nouns are used in a sentence. First, nouns act as subjects. Subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Look at the example. Peter cooked today's dinner. Who is the sentence talking about? Peter. So, Peter is the main subject. The tree is very tall. What is the sentence talking about? The tree, which becomes the subject of a sentence. Second, nouns act as direct objects of a verb. This will answer the question whom or what is receiving the action. In this example, the teacher loves my sister. Now you already know the teacher becomes the subject. And what is the action? Loves. She loves whom or what? She loves my sister. Therefore, my sister is receiving the action directly and becomes the direct object. Next, nouns act as indirect objects. Notice here, these are nouns which receive the direct objects. This answers the question to whom or what. Mary gave a book to Sam. Here, a book is a direct object which receives the action gave. And to whom? To Sam. So, the direct object, a book, is received by indirect object Sam. Let's look at another example. My mother baked my roommate some cookies. My mother is, of course, the subject here. What is the direct object? Well, it's not my roommate because my mother won't bake my roommate. She can bake cookies. So, cookies become direct object. And whom are these cookies for? For my roommate is an indirect object who receives the cookies. Nouns act as subject complements. They normally follow linking verbs like am, is, are, was, were, will be, or as stative verbs like see, smell, hear, feel, etc., and not the action words. If a noun is followed by action word, then it becomes direct object. Whereas subject complements gives us more information about the subject. Like in this example, my brother is an engineer. An engineer is giving extra information about the subject or it complements the subject. This bread smells stale. Stale is a subject complement which is a state of the bread. It doesn't receive the direct verb, so it becomes subject complement. Nouns act as object complements. They rename the object or says what state the object has become. Video game makes Rohan happy. Here Rohan is object and what is his state? It makes him happy. The video games make him happy. So happy acts as a object complement even though it is an adjective. Here in this sentence it acts as an object complement. Nouns act as object of preposition. They come after prepositions or prepositional phrases. The pen is on the table. Here on the table is a prepositional phrase. On is a preposition. What is the object of on? The table. Hence the table becomes the object of preposition on. Next, nouns act as predicative nouns. They come after linking verbs and not action verbs and talk more about the subject. It is simply a noun in predicate part of the sentence. Karan is a banker. A banker is a predicate noun. Nouns function as appositives. That is, they rename the other nouns in a sentence to make it clear and is separated by a comma. If I say Spencer is very active, you may ask me, who is Spencer? Is he your brother, husband, or son? So to make it clear, we say Spencer, my puppy, is very active. So my puppy is a positive. Lastly, we are seeing nouns of direct address. That is, we directly speak to a person or group addressing their names. It can be person's name or title or noun phrase or a group. Hiten, I received your mail. I'm directly telling Hiten that I received his mail. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Again, I'm directly addressing to the crowd or audience. That's all about nouns and the introduction part. In the upcoming videos, you'll see different types of nouns and their rules. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel for more educational videos or click on the link at the top right corner for English resources. Thank you for watching. See you soon.